This is a dramatic loss. Everything have been gone. We just brought in a lot of new stock, new paints and things, but everything is gone. This is gonna be over millions of dollars in loss. Millions of dollars.
How
It
many
just
people you have currently employed working with you?
about 10 people.
Okay.
10 people.
And the property was insured?
Yes, the property is insured. We does both hardware and electrical. I'm an electrical contractor. So the outside business won't be affected much, only material wise. Cause I also supply the material within, but the hardware is totally gone. And when I went home last night, I was saying when I get back here this morning, at least all my components and stuff would be in the safe, would be safe. When I got back here this morning, everything gone. Cash, everything, documents, everything. So I don't think there's much I can do.
No, 22 years isn't 22 days. In terms of rebuilding, what's your plans right now? I know it's still early.
Yes, we'll come back. We'll come back. We probably come back stronger, but we'll be back.
Same location?
Same location. I'll be back.
And I'm hearing about how respected you are in the community. What's the support like for you?
Very good, very good. We get support right in this area, St. George, St. Thomas. We even get people coming as far as from St. Lucie to shop here. Cause we in the store we used to got things that you won't find other places. I go away and buy a lot of stuff from outside and bring in, little different things. But we're well represented by the people in the community and far and wide. We get good support.
Currently, what we have going on is we have two hot spots that the officers right now are working to extinguish. After that, we will do further checks. But for the most part, the fire is extinguished. The fire just continuing to warm structure. Based on my observation, the exposures to the north and south haven't received any damage at all. So everything was just contained to this one area. We are now dealing with two minor hotspots. Once that is done, we would then do our primary and secondary checks after to ensure that everything is extinguished. And within that, then I will probably give the all clear and shut down. Given that it's a hardware, you could understand that it will have a lot of paints, chemicals, that kind of thing. Once that starts to burn, then what we're dealing with then is not only the fire but a hazmat situation, given all the vapors and that kind of stuff that will be coming off. So yes, based on what I'm seeing here with my preliminary watch through the scene, all of that has been extinguished. And as I said, there are two only minor hotspots that we're dealing with right now.